In this class, we are going to learn one more kind of region in Oracle Apex, that is card. In order to create a cards region, we can make use of create page wizard as well as create application wizard and select the cards. Alternatively, you can drop any region onto your existing page and select the type as cards. I will click on this create page, and from the components, I will select the cards over here. It is saying populate the name. I will give the cards, and you can populate this card section using the table or the SQL query. I will select the table, that is the employee table, and you can provide other details over here. Click on next. You will be provided an option to select it as a grid, float or horizontal. Based on the use case, you can select, and you can provide what should be in the title, body. I will keep this default, and later point of time we will change. Click on create page. Our cards page has been created successfully. Let me just review this application. You will be presented with the cards region, which shows name in the title and in the body the job role. Apart from this, you can filter based on the name and the job itself. Let me just come back. You can modify this card section over here further. You can go over to the attributes. All the attributes are presented in the group. You can just search for the group and you can modify accordingly. Now I will change the appearance of this a little bit. In the subtitle, I will give the manager name, that is over here, MGR, and go to the advanced formatting over here, and we can provide the HTML expression here. We can tell this as a salary, and we can tell sal. In order to populate anything in the HTML, we can write it over here like ampersand sal dot. So it will pull the salary column information which we are getting from the selected table, in our case the employee. So you can refer what is your column name in the table using the object browser. Coming to the body, I can tell in the body I want to show the job, that is fine. Secondary body, if you want, you can just put and see the commission. And in the icon and the badge, you can provide the icon badge if you are getting in your table, like in the URL form or in the blog. That's it. Let me just save and let me just preview this application. So in the title, this time I'm getting the salary, which we had modified over here using the expressions. Suppose if you want to further, if you don't want to modify this, you can just keep it as is, and you can revert it back and select the column as the e-name, and you can go to the media over here, advanced formatting. Here you can write salary information, click on save. So all these customizations you can do on the cards as per the use case what you have. So it will show neat and clean. This time the commission over here, the salesman or salary, the name information over here, and the manager code is over here. Suppose if you don't want to show the manager's ID, you can go to the appropriate field in the subtitle, and instead of manager ID, you will show the name. Click on save and click on preview. So all these customizations you can do over here. This supports the HTML formatting. You can provide instead of salary the HTML format what you want to show, and you can create a eye-catchy user interface for your application. On top of this, all the regions what you add into your Oracle Apex are very responsive, meaning it can resize as per the screen size on which this application is getting viewed.